Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will discuss about how to register with the HCPC, what are the exactly requirement for the registration, and I will explain you process step by step. Keep watching and keep support to my channel. This video will be very helpful for newly qualified radiographer or experienced radiographer who is looking for HCPC registration. So let's start with the registration eligibility. You must have undergone training and attained a qualification delivered outside the UK, which is relevant to one of the profession HCPC regulate. It means you need to have, like, if you are going for registration as a diagnostic radiographer, you need to have a bachelor degree or equivalent degree in the radiography, so that you can they can consider your degree. Documents you need to prepare for the HTPC registration. Proof of identity. It means your passport should be considered as a proof of identity, and your national identity card also they consider as a proof of identity. And proof of address. It means utility bills and tax bills. And professional body registration, like uh, every country have their professional body for every profession. Like I am from India, so in India we have Indian Society of Radiographer and an Indian Society of Radiographer Technologist. So you need to take a registration from your home country. They will contact you, uh, like HTPC contact with you to give that registration number, and also you need to fill that registration number in HTPC registration form, and they will connect with that regulatory body to confirm you are registered with them or not, and they will ask them, are you eligible or not to be registered. Course information form. This is the most important thing to be to get registration in HCPC. So in course information form, you need to provide to HCPC with the details of theoretical and practical content of course you have successfully completed, and the number of theoretical and practical hours for each module or each subject. The course information form must have institution seal and verified by the course administrator or the college principal. Professional qualification certificate. You must also provide a certified copy of your professional qualification certificate, and where appropriate a certified copy of original English translation. It means if your degree is not in English language, you need to provide the certified copy of translation in English to HTPC, and certified copy should be less than 6 months, and all the documents you submit to the HCPC that are certified by the lawyer, gazetted officer, or counselor, means a member who have good position in the society, or like government officer, they can certify your documents with the seal and name and designation. Certificate of English language proficiency. You need to show your IELTS score. Usually HCPC consider IELTS and OET, sorry, TOEFL. So better is you need to do IELTS. So you need to declare, like they can verify your identity, they can confirm your qualification with your institute, they can confirm your good standing and character with the professional regulatory body. Like as I previously said, in our country we have a Society of Indian Radiographers, so HCPC send them email to get your character is good or not. They will like regulatory body give you a good standing character certificate at the time of registration. So now how to apply for the HCPC registration? You need to create a good account at HCPC website, and there are six sections. In first section, you need to fill your details. In second section, you need to fill your qualification. In third section, you need to fill your professional experience, and you need to focus all the modalities you have already worked, and like what kind of examination you can do. You need to You need to show all the details in that section. Professional registration and membership, it means the regulatory body from your countries, and the English language proficiency. If you are from English first, if in your country English is first language, so you need to take like you are from the country where English is first language, and either up, if you are not, you need to show your English proficiency certificate. Declaration, you need to declare all the details you have provided is really true, and after that you can submit your application and pay your scrutiny fee. What to expect when you make international application? They will review your application, they will assess your education, training and experience, they will email your institution, and they will get information if you done or not the degree, and they will if they will need further information, they will contact you. So please make sure you will regularly check your junk email and email. Sometime that email goes to the junk. An outcome of your international application, they will assess and they will verify your information. Possible outcomes for your international application, they will further, if they need further information, they will contact you, and they want some time test of competency, like if you are competent for that profession or not. Successful candidate, they will satisfy, if they will satisfy with your application, they will ask you to pay the registration fee, and after that in same day you will get the, maybe sometime in the next day they will give you the registration number. And if you are unsuccessful as an international candidate, they will give you again chance to appeal the decision of HCPC. If they want something more, you need to provide all the details which they want. Thank you for thank you for watching my video, and keep subscribe and keep watching my videos and support me. If you need any information regarding HTPC registration, you can drop me message on LinkedIn, you can send me message on the WhatsApp, and you can send me email. I will definitely reply you. You can send me message on the YouTube as well. I will try to help you in every way. Thank you so much.